I did my coaching from Speed. I was a regular subscriber Speed for many years.
Yes.
So there are many videos of sirs available because I was a recurring member of Speed.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr.
Thank you.
Avishek Sharma
Yes.
for scoring a topmost rank of CML 7 and AML 16 and
Thank you.
in specialty of DM Nephrology
Thank you. Thank you.
in INISS session, April 2024. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Doctor, can we know about your little brief background of where you started from till date?
I started my journey in 2009 when I joined Midnapur Medical College. It's in West Bengal district, Midnapur. I passed my MBBS in 2015, including the 1 year rotatory internship in 2015. Then I began preparing for my postgraduate entrance exam. At that time, I was not that much actively working, preparing. In 2015, the rank was not good. It was very far away. I think if I can remember, the rank was 15,000.
Oh.
That was very, at that time, even anatomy was not possible in that rank.
Okay.
So I again took a drop, again prepared for the exam. And then I got around 900 rank and then joined SSKM, IPGMR and SSKM hospital in Kolkata, MD Medicine. I joined in 2017, passed in 2020. After that, I began again preparing for NEET SS. I took speed coaching, but due to my compulsory bond service, I was sent to a very far away place in West Bengal. That's in North Bengal district, Kuch Bihar. I served government of West Bengal for 3 years. I did my coaching from Speed. I was a regular subscriber. Dr. Tamil, Mr. Tamil Selvan knows me very well. I purchased Speed, I think, 3 times actually. But due to the work pressure, revision, I was not able to do the revision. That was the main problem actually. Before exam, the duties increased. I had studied all the topics, but was not able to revise it. The efficiency was not there. So when my 3 years bond posting was over in 2023 August, I completely sat down for 6 months, completely again revised all the topics, and then I am in here with you.
Very nice, doctor.
Actually, those 3 years of bond service was actually a tedious job, actually, and it is also compulsory. Otherwise, we have to pay a hefty bond amount.
Great, doctor. I'm feeling really happy for you, and also been really inspired by your sincere, dedicated hard work and consistent preparation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, can you tell us what all you read? I mean, how all you read? I mean, what all topics important? Can you something on that?
Yeah. In nephrology, one book is very famous, Free Halley. But believe me, I didn't even touch the book because what Manu sir had taught us with all the discussion of the MCQ'S, with all the notes he is giving, that's completely enough for our preparation. We do not have to touch the textbook also. We have to keep on revise those topics, and have to we have to retain those topics till the examination hall. That was the problem I was not able to achieve. I am learning the topic, but I'm not able to carry it in the examination hall. Everything is there in the notes. Oh. Everything is there in our sir's discussion. Everything is there. But the small intricacies, like what is the value of the length, my tubule length, those things the sir have taught us.
Oh.
And that's completely in our notes.
Okay.
That's my only preparation. I have compiled the notes of Manu Krishnan sir of all the years. Sir has been teaching in Speed for many years.
Yes.
So there are many videos of sirs available. So I have compiled all the videos.
Almost 2 decades.
2 decades, almost 2 decades. Yes. So I have compiled all the notes of sir. I have listened to one topic more than more than 2 to 3 times of same. In 2002 he taught the same topic. Again in 2023 he taught the same topic. So I have attended all the lectures. Just uh, just I have to carry it in the examination. That's the only one. We don't have to touch the free heli textbook. Not required actually. Sir notes is enough.
See, this video will reach. He will feel very happy to learn from. I mean, to know from you. He'll be a very satisfied man. And can you tell us how many questions did you attend in the exam, doctor?
In examination, I think apart from in 80 questions, around 60 from 60 were from nephrology, the rest of the general medicine. In 60, I think I have managed to get correct 50, 54. But got negative negative from general medicine.
General medicine, how many questions did you attend?
General medicine I attempted, but it got wrong. The neuro questions were tough actually.
Okay.
They had asked some scoring systems of 2 to 3 diseases, which is not quite written in our Harrison text. That's why it got negative. But in out of 20, I think I managed to got correct 10 or 12. I think just 8. I think that cost me negative marking.
Okay. Very nice. Doctor, can you share something on the interview session? I mean, what should be prepared? What did they ask? Your experiences on that.
Interview session, yes. This time interview was very short actually. Manu sir prepared us for many images. Manu sir said that for last 2 to 3 years they are asking image based questions. But this time I was surprised that no such thing was asked. Just 5 to 6 minutes, just a viva voice, like we used to give in final year exam, viva voice. It was just like that. They asked me, first of all, they asked me about my thesis in my final year, what thesis I did. So actually, what I think they are looking for a candidate whose thesis is in nephrology.
Okay.
I think, but my thesis was in endocrinology. After that, because we in general medicine we do, at that time we don't know what specialty we would go in, and after even if we decide specialty, then also our unit head keeps a lottery system of all the topics.
Correct.
So we don't get ourselves to decide what topic. Subtopics we can decide, but what topic we cannot decide. So mine was in endocrinology, so they didn't ask me further apart from the thesis. They just asked what is the title and what was your result. Okay. Then they asked me if I had published my case. So I think that was a negative point for me because I had not published the case. And after that, I got into that 3 years of bond service. So there was no publication of me. So I think they note down that thing that there is no publication. And after that, they just asked me 3 to 4 questions from nephrology. First question was, what was the kidney length?
Okay.
Size of the kidney, and when we will say then kidney is enlarged and causes of kidney enlargement.
Okay.
And what I did wrong, I think they asked me about those ADPKD gene position. So ADPKD part 1, there is a type 1, type 2. I got the gene position in type 2, I told in type 1, and type 1 gene position I told in type 2.
16:4.
16:4. Yes, sir. So type 1 is 16. I told type 1 is 4 actually.
Okay.
So that's why they also
in stress it, I think it gets.
Actually, sir, my interview was about to be was scheduled to be start in 9:30. Then it again delayed for 10 minutes. They told me over phone that it is delayed for 10 minutes. Then again it got for 10 minutes. 3 times it got delayed for 10 minutes. The interview started at 10 a.m. So for 30 minutes I was just sitting in the waiting room. When it will happen, hand was sweating profusely. So that's why it got jumbled up. And also they were sitting a little bit far away. The audio was not
clear.
There is a table in between, and they're sitting far end of the table. So I have to always ask, pardon me, pardon me, pardon me. So that's why it was making a little bit of mess actually.
Okay. Okay.
This time interview just lasted for 5 to 6 minutes. It just got ended abruptly. They told, okay, you may go. I thought, what happened? Sir, sorry, sir, have I done anything wrong? No, it's okay. Your interview is over. Okay.
Okay.
Manu sir told that previous years all interview were at least 15 minutes, 20 minutes. They are asking further and further. But this time I was surprised actually.
Doctor, now what will be your advice for all your juniors or friends who are aspiring for DM nephrology?
I am suggesting that there is very little bit of time, because with in this position when we have to do ward duties and preparation also, so there is no need to go through the textbook. If it is rarely required. Our Manu sir notes is enough. Keep on revising the notes. Keep on revising the notes. Just you have to trust the notes, and you have to bring those notes to the examination. That if they can do this job, it's done. It's done.
Okay.
But I cannot say how to get rank 1. That I don't know.
There is no much difference between rank 1 and rank
There
7.
is no. Yes.
It's 1 or 2 questions that made a difference. And time to thank, and whom all you want to thank, you can use this platform to thank for all you made your career so far.
Yes, sir. I just really want to thank my parents, and I really want to thank my wife, who has sacrificed for me so much, going through this tedious journey for this many years. And I am working nowhere for last 6 months. She is handling all my household chores and household responsibilities. So I'm really very much thankful to her, and especially Dr. Manu Krishnan sir and Mr. Tamil Selvin. Really, he helped me a lot to get discounts because I was a recurring member of Speed.
Speed.
Yes, sir. So I was really pressing him for discount. He did manage to get, and he was really helpful. Really helpful. They managed all the logical problems of the device, instantly activation of the app. Very much helpful. Very much helpful.
Definitely, we will inform them about this, and they will also see this video.
And sir, many sir, thanks to you for creating this platform. Sir. Otherwise, this whole journey would not happen.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Now, once again, we wish you all the best and all the success for a great career.
Thank you, sir.
In nephrology, and definitely you will make a legendary career and a landmark in the field. And we will always look upon to you, and we will always be with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And wishing you all the very best and success.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.